Most people think Pinterest is dead for affiliate marketing, but in the last 13 days this month, it quietly made me $14,410. No ads, no followers, no blogging. I used free Pinterest traffic and Sora AI to generate original content that Pinterest loves and buyers actually click. In this video, I'll break down the exact strategy, the pin tape that exploded, and how you can start from zero and copy this. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. I have been doing this business for over 6 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. And why it's only free traffic? Because the affiliate marketing program that I'm working with, they are paying good commission. They are paying high commissions. I'll share with you guys how much they are paying, how we can start, how we can choose good product that you need to promote that people will be interested to buy from you, and so much more. Okay, and just last month I have made $36,865 and it's paid, as you can see over here. Recent payments request details. This is my invoice. It's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. I'm here to show you how you can also start and how you can make commissions. Step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program that is paying good commissions. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliates. So here is what you will do. You will go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. Just come to this page and just scroll down like this. Okay, keep scrolling down. Go to company and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn and what services you need to promote and how much they are paying, and so much more info about their affiliate commissions. Okay guys, the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyer make in the next 12 months. Okay, so for example, if one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. And you guys can see here, for pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order. You need to join an affiliate marketing program that is paying good commissions, not like other affiliate marketing programs who are paying just few cents. This one is a good one. Anyway, you can go back to this page here and click on join now like this, and you will be in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliates program. What you need to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. If you have a company, you can choose this one. If you have Fiverr seller, you can choose this one. Click here, do you have main source of traffic? Click on yes, and what you will do here, pay close attention. You will go and create your Pinterest account and upload at least between 3 and 5 pins about Fiverr services, okay? And post those pins in your Pinterest profile account, and copy your Pinterest profile link and put your Pinterest profile link here, and click on country here to choose your country. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. And you can choose your language from here. And if you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. And just click on next, follow a few steps, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. This will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy services from you. It's clear here, okay? What you need to do next now is you need to create Pinterest business account that you will use to promote Fiverr services, because we will start promoting services. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's better to use business account because Pinterest, guys, has over 1 billion monthly visitors. Guys, you meaning that you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you are using good method. Okay, also keep in your mind that Pinterest, guys, is a search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. So what you need to focus on Pinterest, it's not growing your followers, it's your Pinterest SEO, it's your Pinterest keyword, it's your title, your Pinterest pin picture, your description. This is what you need to focus on, not followers. You can start with 0 followers and make commissions. So once you finish, just click here on home feed on your Pinterest account. You should see here Pinterest trend. Click on Pinterest trend and you will be in this page over here. So we will use Pinterest trend website to see what's trending, what people are searching for. We cannot keep promoting services randomly or keep guessing maybe this one can work or maybe this one. No, this business doesn't work like this. Go to Pinterest trend, use Pinterest trend website to see what's trending. In this website, Pinterest gives you all the keywords that are trending, all the keywords that people are using to search for services, products, topics, and more. Okay, here is what you will do. Scroll down and go over here to this option here. You see this one, guys? Search trend. Okay, this one. And click over here on view search trend. Okay, and you will be in this page. Over here you have, if you scroll down, you see here, you will see keywords that are trending, keyword that people are searching for. So what you will do next, guys, you will choose this one, growing trend. We need growing trend. Okay, and we have here more options. Okay, we have interest, age, gender, include keyword. We will go to interest and we will choose our niche. So let's pick, for example, design. As an example, I will choose design. Okay, and here you go. If you scroll down here, you will see the keyword that are trending in this niche, in design niche. Okay, we have this one, catalog avatar. We have YouTube background. You guys can see the graph of this keyword. It's just keep going up. All those keywords are going up, mean they are growing trends. And if you promote services related to those keywords that people are already searching for, you can make commissions because you are promoting services that people are already searching for, like this one, YouTube background. Let's scroll more down. We have rebrand. We have here Canva font, this one, and we have more. We have YouTube banner design. Let's pick just as an example for, like, this one is a good one. You guys can see this one, YouTube banner design. You see the graph of this keyword, it's really good. I will click on this keyword. Just click on the keyword. This is a really good one. This is amazing, guys. Look at the graph. It's jumping really. It's going up very, very fast. Like, you see this one. This one is a good one. Let's click here and choose. Click on the date and choose past 3 months. Guys, we find a winning service, winning keyword. This one is a good one. You see this is. You see the graph. Keep going up, meaning that more people are interested. You guys can see how often people are searching for a keyword. Okay, so people are searching for YouTube banner design. Okay, you also, guys, have this option here. Okay, region. Okay, you can choose which country you want to see. If you want to see, for example, what's trending in United States, you can choose United States. If you want to see what's trending in Canada, you can choose Canada, and you have a lot of countries here. So for me, I will keep using United States, and we have an audience from United States searching for YouTube banner design. What I will do as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, I will copy this keyword and I will go back to Fiverr, to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search and I will search for this service that people are searching for on Pinterest, YouTube banner design. Okay, like this. And here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Choose always like level 2 seller, top rated sellers and the pro sellers. You just need to choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. If the sellers has a lot of reviews, meaning that people are buying from this seller because this seller is providing good service for his customers. Okay, let me pick one as an example. Let me choose like this one. I think this one is good one. This one is top rated seller. I will choose, for example, this one, guys, top rated seller. So just click on his service. I will click on his service, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see this seller has 2 orders in queue, which is really good. So he has a lot of reviews, over 100 reviews, meaning that over 100 people paid already for this service. So what you will do next, you will need to copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on your dashboard. Here you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This will be your Fiverr affiliate link, guys. Fiverr marketplace new plan. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 or top rated sellers, this will be your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr marketplace new plan. If you are promoting pro services, this will be your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr pro new plan. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because I do have an old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for over 6 years, like I said in the beginning. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. But this one, Fiverr pro new plan, it's better. Okay, this one is better. Okay, if you are promoting pro services, you don't need to promote always pro services. You need to promote services. You can promote services depending on the topics that people are searching for. So what we need to do next, guys, is we just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Look, I just show you the foundation of how this works, and you can definitely take this and try to piece the rest together on your own. But if you want to skip 6 months of trial and error and account bans and mistakes, I have created a complete affiliate marketing course. It's not just more videos, it's my exact step-by-step blueprint, the template I use, the free AI tools that I'm using, and how do I create content, faceless content, without showing my face, without using my voice, that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on YouTube, Reddit, Quora, and more. If you are ready and you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you guys all the details, okay? Now let's complete our video. So now we created our affiliate link. What we need to do next is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest, okay? So let's go to Pinterest. So just go back to your Pinterest homepage and click on home feed and click on create pin like this. So what we need to do next is you guys need to create a good pin picture, and we will use Sora. So what we will do next, we will go first to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a prompt that you can send to Sora to create high quality Pinterest pin picture that you will use to promote YouTube banner design service on Pinterest, okay? Just click over here and ChatGPT will give you a good high quality prompt that you guys just need to copy and paste on Sora, and you will get high quality image that you can use to promote this service on Pinterest. Here you go. This is your Sora prompt. Copy this like this. Just copy. Go back to Sora and click here. Guys, Sora is for free. You can go to Google search for Sora chatgpt.com and you can start using it. Put your prompt here. Click over here and Sora will create high quality pin picture that you can use to promote your affiliate links or your affiliate offers on Pinterest. And here you go, guys. Do you see this? This is really amazing. Guys, you should start using AI. If you are not using AI, you are missing a lot. When I started this business, AI doesn't exist, okay? So to make like those pictures using Photoshop, it took me hours. Guys, for you guys, just with one click, you get high quality pictures like this, okay? Professional YouTube banner design. You see this one? This one is good one, and this one also is looking good. You guys can see professional YouTube banner design. They are really looking good. Like, this is really amazing. So for me, I will choose this one. So just click on the picture that you want to use and just click here and download the picture to your laptop. Go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload your picture. Okay, this is my picture. Click on open and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded. So what you need to do next, guys, is you just need a title and description. So to create good high quality SEO titles and description, use ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a good SEO optimized pin title for this pin and description too. And in your description, this is super important, mention that it's an affiliate. Okay, so you need to respect the guidelines of Pinterest. Okay, so this is how you can avoid banned accounts. Make sure in your description to mention that you are an affiliate marketer. And here you go, this is your SEO professional YouTube banner design that gets clicks, SEO optimized pin title. This is your title, and you have more titles, guys. You can test. You see, even ChatGPT give you 5 titles, so you can test and see which title is getting clicks, double what's working, and avoid what's not working. So, for example, YouTube banner design to boost click-through rate, custom YouTube banner. You need YouTube banner, so you will copy the first one. I will go back to Pinterest and put this title here, description, scroll more, and here is your description, guys. You see, this is an affiliate link, which means I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Like this, you are good. I will copy this description with hashtags, with everything. You just need to use ChatGPT, okay, and put this description here. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go back to Pinterest and just put your affiliate link here like this. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, click here to put tags. How we can find tags, guys? You will go back to your Pinterest trend account. You will copy this keyword that people are using to search for this service on Pinterest. Also, if you scroll more down, you have here related trends. You need to copy those keywords. Copy all those keywords, okay? And go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here like this, okay? Banner design, you see? Once you put all those keywords here on tags, on your tags, just click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing with free traffic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, guys, I'm not using just Pinterest. I'm using also YouTube, Quora, Reddit, and more. If you want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I will send you all the details, how you can create your own content, faceless YouTube videos also that you can use to promote your affiliate links on YouTube. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice. You just need to follow step by step what I'm teaching you inside my course, and you will be good. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments.